I'm going to give you a hug. Here we go. Here's a hug. If the struggle is real and you need a hug, here's a hug. Hey guys, I'm Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist and certified trichologist and the owner of the Curl House product line and the Curl House Academy Let's Get Growing program. And today I'm just going to switch it up. I'm just going to talk to you. This is not going to be like a fancy video or anything like that. Normally I'm doing videos giving you solutions on how you can regrow your hair, why you're dealing with hair loss, why your hair is so dry, how to style your hair, what products to use. All of those videos is all about, solutions to your healthy hair growth challenges or hair growth problems. I can give you advice all day, but today I just want to give you some encouragement. I know you may be struggling if you're dealing with hair loss. I know what it's like to look in the mirror and to see your hair falling out. I have experienced it myself. But if you are dealing with hair loss, I just want to encourage you to keep going. If you have met with a dermatologist, a trichologist, or even looked at any of my videos, I have given you several potential solutions for your hair loss challenges. But what I haven't given you, or what I want to give you more of today, is encouragement to keep going. I know it may not be easy. I know it's a struggle. I know what it feels like, but just keep going. Stay consistent. If you are dealing with just not even hair loss, even if you're just dealing with trying to figure out what to do with your natural hair, or if you're dealing with dry hair and you just can't figure out what to do with it and you're feeling discouraged, I encourage you to keep going, keep learning, you all. With embracing your natural hair, it takes time. Keep in mind, many of us, most of us are new to natural hair. Our hair is foreign to us. We were relaxed for years, or even if we weren't relaxed, our mom, we did a press and curl. We didn't wear our hair in its natural state, so our hair is foreign. And it takes time to really get to know your hair. It takes time for us to figure out what works for our hair, what doesn't work for our hair, if we should use this or if we should use that. It's going to take time. Sometimes it takes years. But hey, you ain't going nowhere. You're going to be here for many years. So even if it takes you a year, 2 years to really figure out your hair, in the grand scheme of things, that is not a lot of time. So if this is you and you are just struggling, I just want to encourage you today. I just want to say, you got this. Keep going. Be consistent. Don't give up. Look at videos. Talk to friends who may be in the struggle with you. People who can encourage you. Let me be clear about that. Not discourage you. Not to tell you things that your hair is not pretty, or I don't like your natural hair, or I like it if you wear it straight. Not them kind of friends. I'm talking about the friends that's right here in the Curl House community, your virtual friends, or even it may be your sister, your mom, someone who's going to keep you encouraged, someone who's going to say, you know what? I think your hair is beautiful. I appreciate the fact that you can wear your hair the way it grows out of your scalp, because guess what? Not everyone can do that. When I see someone rocking their natural hair, I see a courage in that person to step out and do something and rock their hair the way it comes out of their scalp. Not many people can do that. I've even had people come up to me and say, wow, Karen, you're so brave to wear your hair like that. Or you're so brave even to rock my gray, because yes, I will rock my gray as well. You're so brave to do that. People actually admire the fact that you can do it, because believe it or not, so many people want to wear their hair natural, but they don't have the courage to do it. So I hope that encourages you. If you are someone who has short natural hair, calling all of my short natural hair people, I encourage you as well, rock your hair short for as long as you want to. You don't have to go natural or cut all your hair off and your goal is just to grow it back out. Don't do that. And when you have short hair, do you know that you can actually reclaim your time when you don't have no hair? Because when you have more hair like this, it is more maintenance, it is more products, it is more time to style. It's time. But when your hair is short, you will be amazed at how much time you get back. In the morning time when you get ready for work, you don't have to spend an hour in the mirror fooling with your hair. You can just put a little product in it and keep it moving. So even if it's short, enjoy it in the short stage. I've had my hair cut short several times and I love it when it is short. The reason it's not short now is because I need my hair for my business and I need it to do styling demonstrations. So that's in part why it's not short now. But at some point, I think I'm gonna rock my hair short again. But if that is you, rock it short. It's okay. If your hair is gray, be a silver fox. That is okay too. Silver is gorgeous. When your hair is silver or when it's gray, many times your hair goes gray later in life. Yes, there are a few people whose hair is gray younger, but most times gray is an indication of aging. And that's okay, because if you're aging, that means you're still here. So rock your gray. Gray is fabulous. Trust me, I'm rocking mine all the time, and I dare someone to say you ain't fabulous. I am a silver fox. I will rock it with confidence. So if you are going gray, and even if you're struggling with embracing the gray, I get that too. But again, keep going. If it is your desire to transition from dyed dark hair, if you've been putting color in your hair and you just want to rock it gray, go ahead and do it. I recently cut off my mom's dyed hair. My mom has been gray for years, but she's been gray under her dark black hair that I've been coloring for years. But she just decided, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna rock my gray. And that's what we did. We cut her hair off and she is rocking her gray, and she is a silver fox too. So if that is you, and if you're dealing with gray hair, then go ahead and rock it. So I really just wanted to get on this YouTube to encourage you, to tell you I got you, to tell you I am your #1 cheerleader, okay? I'm going to give you a hug. Here we go. Here's a hug. If the struggle is real and you need a hug, here's a hug. If you need to hug yourself and tell yourself, I got this. I will keep going. My hair is beautiful. I am fearfully and wonderfully made, and that includes my hair. Encourage yourself. What I really want you all to do, instead of always focusing on the hair problem, I want you to say something positive about your hair. It can be, I love the versatility of my hair, or I love the color of my hair, or I love my hair texture, or I love my short hair, or I love the fact that my hair is uniquely mine, or I love my curls, I love my length, as opposed to always focusing on what's wrong with your hair. I want you to shift your focus, do a 180, and focus on what you like about your hair. Focus on the hair that you do have. That is going to encourage you to keep going, because perspective is everything. As a hairstylist, I have watched people come in with a whole head full of hair and complained about their hair, found something to complain about their hair. And I have watched women sit right across from that person who was sitting in my chair, the person that was waiting. This woman is struggling with hair loss, and she's listening to someone complain about their hair because they don't like the way it look, or they don't like their texture, or they don't like their curl pattern. And I know the woman who was struggling with hair loss would have done anything to have her hair texture. So perspective is everything, you all. So take a new perspective on your hair. Tell yourself something positive about your hair that will encourage you to keep going on this journey of healthy hair and healthy hair growth. Okay, y'all, I didn't want anything. Again, I just wanted to encourage you. So I hope that little message encourages you today. All right, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous and keep going.